In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect iPhone 11 to AirPods. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which iPhone you have or which AirPods model you have, you can easily connect them to an iPhone. The AirPods are designed to work flawlessly with any iPhone, and all that you have to do to establish this connection is to open your AirPods case while you have them in close proximity of your iPhone. So the main way to connect both of them together is going to be to open the lid on your AirPods case. Regardless of the generation of AirPods that you have, they should be automatically detected by your iPhone and you will find the option to connect right away. So you will see this pop up with the model of AirPods displayed at the top and you can choose connect at the bottom. Immediately upon doing this, all of the audio being output by your iPhone will be output on the AirPods Pro or any generation that you have of AirPods. If this does not work for whatever reason, then you have to do one additional step. Go over to the settings on your iPhone and make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. With Bluetooth enabled, now you should automatically set them into pairing mode. This can be done by pressing and holding the button on the back of the AirPods case while you have the AirPods inside. So place the AirPods inside of the case and then press and hold this button at the back. It is going to enable Bluetooth pairing mode, which means that the AirPods will be detectable by nearby devices, including your iPhone. So immediately upon selecting them from the list here, they should also connect right away. And then all of the audio being output will go over to the AirPods. You can enable and disable all sorts of functions like active noise canceling depending on the generation that you have, and it is easy to set up. They should automatically connect to any iPhone model as long as you have a genuine set. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect iPhone 11 to AirPods. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.